Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to transfer money using the SpareBank One mobile app. First, go ahead and open the bank and then log in into your account. Once you've done logging in on the main screen, go to the payments or transfer section. Next, select the amount you want to send money from, account you want to send money from, and enter the recipient's details such as name, account number, or IBAN. Enter the amount you want to send carefully. Review all the details to avoid mistakes. After that, confirm the transfer and complete the security verification using bank ID or chosen method. Once confirmed, the money will be sent and you'll see a confirmation message. Transfer time may vary depending on the bank and payment type. That's how you transfer money using the SpareBank One mobile app. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.